Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. This is cabbage. I purchased this cabbage for 19 cents a pound. This is pickling brine from a 3-bean salad my daughter canned and kindly gave to me. The bean salad is gone, but the pickling brine remains. I'm going to boil the pickling brine. I'm going to pack the cabbage in the jar the pickling brine was in. Why dirty more dishes if you don't have to? I packed the cabbage in the jar, but I'm pressing it down. The pickling brine is coming to a boil. It smells really good. You don't have to add anything else to it because everything that you need is there. I poured the boiling brine over the cabbage and pressed it down with my little mallet. It's going to go in the refrigerator for 24 hours and then we're going to taste it. It's been 24 hours. We're going to taste the pickled cabbage. Do you see how much the cabbage has reduced? Will it be crunchy? I don't know. Let's see. There's a piece. I'm going to give it a try. That is so good. You hear how crunchy it is? That is delicious. This is going to keep for a long time in the refrigerator. Don't forget, don't throw away your pickling brine. If you have leftover brine in the jar after the pickles are gone, you can use that brine to pickle other vegetables. In this jar, I could have packed some carrots, onions, celery, all kinds of vegetables. I could have actually put more green beans in here if I wanted to. So, save the pickling brine. You can make your own refrigerator pickles. Because after all, if you purchase the pickles anyway, you probably like them. So why not pickle something else in the brine? Okay, all right. That's it for me today. I love you guys. You know I do. And as always, you know that little is much when God is in it. Okay? All right. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share because everybody needs to know how to do this stuff.